Namaskar, myself Sambhaji Varis. Topic is Continuing Education Program for ALS Professionals. Introduction. Every organization need to have well trained experienced people to perform those activity that have to be done. It is the current or potential job occupant can be meet this requirement. Continuing education program is not important, but when this is not the case, it is necessary to rise the skill level, increase the versatility and adaptability of the employees, indicate job performance or decline the productivity of or changes resulting out of job reducing or a technology breakthrough requires some type of in-service training and development efforts to keep up the technology changes. More organizations are recognize that training as continuous learning and skill enhancement are essential. Training, education, and development. Training, education, and development are three terms frequently used. On the face of it, there might not appear any difference between them, but when I deep through the given, there appears some difference between them. In all training there is some education, in all education there is some training, and the two process cannot be separated from development. Precise definition are not possible and can be misleading, but different person have used those activity in different ways. Training is the process of learning a sequence performance behavior. It is application to knowledge. It gives people an awareness to the rules and procedures to guide their behavior to attempt to improve their performance on the current job. Prepare. Importance of the continuing education program and development for the organization. According to the following contribution can be identified. Training helps employees to learn their jobs effectively, thereby minimize or limiting of costs involving the learning. Training can assist existing staff to improve their work performance and to keep up the date in their field specialization. Further, some present and future work standards that are required by the organization are more likely to be achieved and maintained if staff members are well trained. Importance of education, training and development. Training are to be imparted needs to continuous professional educations to improve service quality, to match the employee's specification with the job requirement and organization needs. Personal growth, organization viability and the transforming process, technological advances need to continue education in library and information sectors list by list for identified training and development requirements, determine immediately training needs, determine long range training needs, core professionals competence for library professionals, managerial skills, knowledge and information sources and services skills, technology skills, professional search skills, communication skill, presentation skill, patron services, commitment of lifelong learning, evaluation and assessment skills, and other skills. Measuring training effectiveness, implement UGC is spending lots of money for training and development for the library professionals. Visual confirmations, social ownerships, skill assessments, method of identifying the individual CP needs, method of determining the organization's needs, poor functioning with the organization, urgency of needs, staff needs, changing environment, individual training needs, training methods and techniques, on the job trainings. That's now this advantage and disadvantage for training. Advantage: this method has several merits. First, as the training is given in separate room, restrictions are minimized. Second, a training instructor who know how to teach can be more effectively utilized. Disadvantage: first is the splitting of responsibility needs to organizational problem. Second is the method of the limited value of the jobs which utilize equipment which can be equipped. Finally, for the training situation is somewhat artificial. Thank you very much.